this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to create upcycled puppets, or how to make a giraffe puppet the hard way. Well, this little guy here is more of an oddity to me because there's really no way to get my hand up into the cranial cavity of this puppet. So that's what he does. He has a broken neck. It's a giraffe, I think it is. I mean, I don't know what I told you. Anyways, he does do a little song and dance here. Ready? Here we go. I'm doing this. That's it. Does it do it again? Yep, same thing. So there he is. There she is, whatever it is. It's the Love Giraffe. So we're going to figure out what to do with this Love Giraffe and see if we can come up with a way to make a puppet out of it. Okay? So let's get into the bottom of it here. This one feels like it might be. Oh, it is. A lot of them are using the zip ties, and I think we've figured this one is a zip tie machine. There it is. One snap and it's done. All right. Okay, so there's the zip tie. There's part of it. I think the other part is still inside. That's okay. So let's see here. Oh my goodness. This is pretty straightforward and easy. It's up there. Okay, let's do this. Let's get rid of some of this material. Let's get the switch out of the hand. Oh, sorry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hang on a sec. We're going to get it to work. Hang on. I think it's stitched in there. Almost. There it is. Okay, so I've unearthed the problem we're having. Okay, I got half of it, or did I? Yep. It's a two-sided stitch. And the other side's right there. Ta-da! We got it. Okay. And then this little guy just goes all the way up to the head. It's broken. That's why it's not working. Okay. Just popped a snap there. I don't know what that did. Oh, there's the tube. Might be able to use that tube for something else. And then it's got some sort of electronics up there. I don't know what that is. That figures. There we go. Okay, so that's that part. And now we just have to figure out what the electronics are. I'll tell you what. We're going to work on that in a little bit more. Let's see what it does. Oh, look. LED lights. Okay, so let's see. So it's LED lights, which would be kind of cool to keep. Let's see here. I think we're just stuck. I think the LED lights are going to stay up there. So here's what we can do to make a puppet. Screwdriver, just like that. Put it between your fingers. Put your other outside fingers on the thumb and the finger. There we go. There we go. All right. Just like that. There it is. A working puppet from a broken, dancing, singing giraffe type toy. There it is. This was another one of those where I figured I got to try it. I got to see if it works. And now you could also put like a handle from a plunger up there. You can get those for $1 at the Dollar Tree. But there it is. Da-da-da-da-da-da. It turns his head and turn like that, a whole thing. So there he is. A singing, dancing puppet giraffe. Done. Thank you guys for coming along. This is a fun journey we're taking. For those of you who've been with us before, thank you. For those of you who are new, please, if you like this fun little video, please subscribe and you'll get all the updates as they come along. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.